So you can see inside this Facebook group, just a few days ago, I posted that I had already made $2,500 with this new done-for-you affiliate system. You can see this other person, Jeff, right here, was able to make a $2,000 sale. Again, just a few days ago. You can see Justin right here posted 2 posts on Facebook and boom, $2,000 directly into his bank account. And what I'm gonna do inside this video is share with you exactly how I and all these other people from around the world have been able to use this brand new done-for-you copy-paste system to literally start generating $2,000 a day instantly, even if you're brand new and you don't have a following. So if you're excited to learn that, be sure to smash the like button right now to let me know. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in to the very first step. So the very first step is you want to actually access this system. Now, there's gonna be a link directly below. When you click that link, you'll get taken to a page that looks something like this. Now, there's different variations of this page, but as long as it looks something similar to this, you want to click Get Instant Access and you want to put in your best email, okay? Now, it has to be a gmail.com only email. So you want to put that in there and you want to click Continue, okay? This is going to allow you to receive updates, allow you to receive information, case studies, so you can best use this system just like me, just like these other people, so you can start to generate these $2,000 cash payments, as well as up to $4,248 in extra commissions, which I'll touch on in a few minutes. So once you do that, you're gonna get taken to this page here. Now, David right here, he's a 7-figure earner. He actually created this new system and he's going to actually tell you a little bit more information in this 4-minute video. If you wanna watch that, you can read over this text and then you can go ahead and look at more testimonials. You can see Paula right here was able to buy a Range Rover. Okay, this system was actually out 1.5 years ago and then it went away for a little bit of time. They did some updates and now they're back, and you can see that Jane, $11,000 in first 3 weeks. Okay, and the testimonials are endless. I'm not gonna, just keep hitting you over the head with this, but what you wanna do is you wanna click, okay, get on the webinar. Now, once you do that, you're gonna get taken to this page here. And if your email address from the previous page is not automatically added, you wanna put it in there and click register. Now, this is very crucial again, because you're gonna be able to leverage this done-for-you system to start to make these high-ticket affiliate commissions. And once you do that, you'll be able to actually join the webinar in progress, okay? So there's gonna be a webinar. You want to actually click that and you'll be able to join the webinar, okay, and start to learn how we're all making these sales. But again, I'm gonna share with you all the information right now as well, but it's very important you watch that webinar. After a period of time, a button's gonna appear where you can actually click and then create a free account inside of this Profits Passport system. Now, once you do that, the main thing is you're going to set up your income streams, okay? So with this specific system, it has 4 different main income streams. Now, income stream number 1 is going to be your biggest moneymaker. That's how that's how all these other people are making those $2,000 payments. What you want to do is you want to actually activate this income stream by clicking here. And then once you do, you'll take your affiliate ID, you'll put it there and then you'll save it. Now, you may want to watch this video. David's going to break down how to sign up the different affiliate income streams, things like that. Again, there's more than enough information to really get the results with this powerful system. But once you do that, you want to go through income stream number 2, you want to activate it, income stream number 3, and income stream number 4. Now, this is how you're going to make those $4,000 plus extra commissions as well, because as people go through this process, you're going to be able to start making these commissions. Now, once you set everything up, they have at the very bottom, okay, how to promote. So they have a lot of information here. What you want to do is realize that it may take 15 to 30 minutes to set up your income streams. But once you set up the accounts inside the different income streams, you're completely done. The only other thing you ever have to do in the future to make these $2,000 plus instant payments is to copy your coded affiliate link. Okay, this is mine, but you would copy yours and you would put it in a notepad, okay, save it somewhere handy, and your sole goal every single day is to get as many people to click this link. Because when they do, maybe you've struggled in the past because you didn't have a capture page. You didn't have your own website. this gives you the website. So your affiliate link, if I go to mine, it's gonna take me to the page right here, which is another variation of that capture page. Okay, remember this capture page here? This is another version, and when someone clicks there and they put their email address in, now my lead is gonna go through this process even while I'm relaxing at the beach, while I'm spending time with my family. This system gives you the capture page. It gives you the upsells. It gives you the instant paying commissions, so you can just focus on getting clicks to your affiliate link. So if I go back here, once you get your affiliate link, you also want to realize that David right here will start sending follow-up messages to your leads for many, many weeks, okay? He's going to relentlessly follow up with your leads. So whenever someone puts their email address in, they're going to start getting messages, sending them back to the webinar, sending them back to testimonials, realizing how powerful the system is. And when they buy, all these emails are coded to you. That's right. Inside this free system, the system's free to use, you're going to be able to get sales coded to you. And that's how so many people, including Jeff right here and all these people here, are able to generate this amount of money. Now, the last thing you're probably wondering is, after you click the link below, how do you get people to your affiliate link? Because that's your only job once your income streams are set up. Well, they have free and paid strategies, okay? So for the instant traffic, this is the paid traffic. So if you have some money and you just want to pay and have instant traffic getting sent to your affiliate link, what you want to do is think about using income stream number 4. Now, income stream number 4 is actually traffic authority. Traffic authority basically provides you with high quality, top tier traffic. You can buy different packages, okay? So let's say you want to start with the gold, which is very popular. You would get 850 to 950 clicks, real people from top tier countries with money that are open to joining an online business. You would just click on the package you want, go to other website, you would take your affiliate link, okay, you would put it in right there, and then you would just add a card, agree to terms, and then place order. And then what happens is, in this tab under active orders, you'll start to see your clicks. Now you can see I actually did an active order that's running currently, and you can see I've gotten 32 high quality clicks. And every single day, like clockwork, I'm getting clicks from real people, and they're going through the process, they're buying, and I'm making these instant 100% commissions. Now, if you want to promote in a free way, what you can do is you can go here, and they have these different subject lines, okay? So if you have an email list, you can just take this subject line here, you can copy this link, and it already pre-populates with your affiliate link right there, and you can just send that to someone. You can also use this on Facebook. So I'm going to share with you how I was able to get a ton of traffic for free on Facebook just using this system, okay? So what I did was I went to my Facebook profile. Now I have 3,600 friends. You may not have that many. Even if you have a couple hundred or some friends, you're going to be able to get people interested in wanting to check out your affiliate link. So what I did was I made this post right here. Very simple. You can see I posted it a few days ago at the time of recording. I found a way to make $2,000 a day paid instantly to your bank account. No MLM, no crypto. This is too easy. Now I had 122 comments of people commenting, yes, please, right? Info. Okay. And what I did was I just replied to their comment, hey, there's a free webinar, just register here and check it out. And when they go to my link, again, they're going to my Profits Passport capture page. I'm just sending them to this link here. So this is one way that you can do that. Now I'll share with you, if I just copy this, I go down, okay, and I find a new comment, which I'm getting every single day, and you can too, right? I can just go here and then enter. And then now that person will get notified, and they'll go to the link, they'll start to go through the process, and they'll start to get signed up, and then I'll start to make these instant commissions. So go down below again, put your email in. This is exactly how you can start making $2,000 cash payments. It's not too good to be true. Again, check out all the testimonials. That's what all these people are using. And this system is now revamped. It's back. It's better than ever. And this is the time to get in now. Okay, so if you're seeing this, we just relaunched. Okay, the system just came out again. You want to get involved right now. It's ground floor. It's only getting better, and you can be the next success story. So if you got value in this video, be sure to click the like button. I really hope this made sense. This is the system that I'm personally running with right now. Also subscribe with the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest affiliate marketing training. I've covered a lot of ways to get traffic. You can use those traffic strategies and point it to this system here, point it to your affiliate link. And until the next time, my friend, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next training.